Good evening. This is Kavipriya, Assistant Professor, EC Department. I am going to deliver a topic, liquid crystal display. First, we can see what is this liquid crystal display. Crystal display is a flat display screen. It is used in electronic devices such as laptop, computer, TV, cell phone and portable video games. As the name implies, liquid crystal is a material which flows like a liquid and it also shows some of the properties of a solid. So it is a very thin display. It consumes less power when compared to LED. Next, we're going to see the molecular arrangements of a liquid crystal. So the molecular structure of liquid crystal is in between a solid crystal and liquid isotropic. So in liquid crystal display, pneumatic type of liquid crystal molecular arrangement is used, in which the molecules are oriented in some degree of alignment. And next we're going to see about liquid crystal display construction. So this diagram shows the construction of liquid crystal display. So the construction of LCD consists of two polarized glass pieces. Two electrodes are used, one is positive and the other one is negative. External potential is applied to LCD through these electrodes and this is made up of indium tin oxide. Liquid crystal layer is of about 10 micrometer to 20 micrometer is placed between two glass sheets. The light is passed or blocked by changing the polarization. And next is a working of a liquid crystal display. So the basic working principle of liquid crystal display is blocking of light. It does not produce light on its own. So external light is required. So external light source is used. When an external light passes from one polarizer to the next polarizer, external supply will be given to the liquid crystal. The polarized light aligns itself so the image is produced in the screen. The indium oxide conducting surface is a transparent layer which is placed on the both sides of a sealed thick layer of liquid crystal. When no external bias is applied, the molecular arrangement is not disturbed. When an external bias is applied, the molecular arrangement is disturbed and the particular area looks dark and the other area looks clear. And we have two types of LCD. It can be a positive LCD or it can be a negative LCD. In positive LCD, the segments will be dark and the background will be white and the polarizers are placed perpendicular to each other. In case of a negative LCD, the segments will be white and the background will be dark and the polarizers are aligned to each other. So in diagram we have this positive and negative LCD. The first one is a positive LCD where the segments are dark and the background is white. And second one is a negative LCD where the segments are white and the background is a dark. So in first positive LCD, the polarizers will be perpendicular to each other. In negative LCD, the polarizers will be aligned parallel to each other. And next is the advantages of a liquid crystal display. The first thing is that, as we all know, liquid crystal it has a thin display and it is also size wise it is very compactable. So it is very thin and compact. Second one is that it consumes a very low power. So it consumes a very low power when compared to LED. Third one is that only less heat is emitted during the operation. And fourth one is that cost wise it is very low, it is more affordable. And next one is the drawbacks of a liquid crystal display. The main drawback of this liquid crystal display is the speed of operation. Here the speed of operation is little bit low. And next one is that the lifespan of this type of liquid crystal display devices are very less. And third one is that it has a restricted viewing angles. And next one is the applications of a liquid crystal display. The first and foremost application is that it is used in digital wrist watches. And second, it is used in digital cameras for displaying the images. So in digital camera, LCDs are used. In watches, LCD wristwatches, digital wristwatches, LCDs are used. And it is used in numerical counters. And in calculators for displaying the digits, display screen, these LCDs are used. And it is used in LCD monitor in laptops, and it is also used in TVs. So liquid for in display screens it is most widely used. So it is used mainly in televisions and in mobiles. For displaying screen, these LCDs are used. It is used in video players. It is also used in the image sensing units, image sensing circuits. So that's all about the introduction to liquid crystal display, construction of liquid crystal display, types of liquid crystal display, and advantages of liquid crystal display, applications and drawbacks of the liquid crystal display. Thank you.